We got the setup pretty much organized here. We got a workbench here. Got the CNC, middle of the floor. We got a workbench over here. Excuse the mess. Still getting organized. I'm gonna get a desk. I'm gonna put a desk over here in this corner over here. Gonna make a coffee table out of that wood there. Some shelving. Got my toolbox over here. Table saw. So we got things getting, they're getting there. They're getting there. So this way when I cut, all the sawdust is going to go outside. Less to clean up in here. So another 360. We're getting there. Almost there.